Hello and welcome to New York City. So my name's Lucy and I'm going to take you along with my friends and I to discover a little bit about New York. First things first, we went to Times Square to let the gram know that we have arrived. As I am a big Gossip Girl fan, I went to see the Palace Hotel. Then it was time to eat, so we got some lunch and sat down in Bryant Park. We went to Union Square Green Market, which is basically a flea market, and you can get some honey, some flowers and lots of veggies. We walked to Madison Square Park and then to NYU. Who doesn't like a little bit of shopping? So we went to the Harry Potter store and then we went to Soho. We obviously didn't buy anything, but we saw some cute things. Then we went to Little Italy to get some pasta and went back to Soho for the end of day one. Day two, first thing first, I went to get a cupcake, a chocolate cupcake, which led me to the friend's apartment in Greenwich Village. And after a stop at Chinatown for lunch, for example, you can get to Pier 40 to get some more pictures. As I am a big matcha girl, I had to take my friends for a stop at Maman for matcha. And at the end of the day, we went back to Times Square to take some more pictures and some more videos.
It's Times Square!
Do not hesitate to go to the photo booth in Forever 21 because it is so much fun.
Vlog à New York.
J'adore le mother and daughter
Outfits.
Mother and kids.
Mother and kids. Mother and my kids.
So on day 3 we decided to go to Brooklyn and go see the amazing Brooklyn Bridge. We took so many pictures and so many videos, and then we went over to Dumbo to see the other side of the skyline. Obviously in Dumbo you have a lot of restaurants to eat in, but we decided that we wanted to go back to Chinatown because we had so much fun. So we took back the subway and then we ate at Chinatown again. And I did something for the first time. I went and got a tattoo. You can also get piercings there, but please do your research beforehand. Then it was time for our favorite activity of the day, which is the Summit 1 Vanderbilt. So what you do there is you go and you take lots and lots of pictures and lots of videos, and then you enjoy. I think it was around $50. So we went from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and we had this amazing view of the sunset. I cannot recommend enough. Please go for it. And to finish up day 3, we went to Grand Central Terminal. It was so beautiful again, and you can actually talk to walls there. Who knew? Then it was finally our last day. Our 4th day, we decided to go to the skyline and we saw there was a big pigeon actually, so I don't know what that was about, but I guess it was art. And then we decided to go to Central Park to end our day there because we walked so much over the past 3 days. And as I am a big Gossip Girl fan, I told you I had to see where Chuck Bass and Blair got married, so that was a big thing for me. And then we went and sat down. We saw some cute dancers and we just were people watching. Yeah. Then we went back to the Upper East Side and to have this amazing cookie. Please go to the Levain Bakery because it is so good. And to finish up our day, as we had the bus like at 11 p.m. we had to go somewhere that closes late. So we went to the Metropolitan Museum and we enjoyed some art. And that is the end of the New York City vlog. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you soon. Bye!